Hi, this video will show you how to create an RSS Webmix and how to add RSS tiles. Let's start by creating an RSS Webmix. Create a webmix the same way it was shown in previous videos. Except now, you're going to want to select RSS feeds only. You can also search for an RSS Webmix in the Symbaloo library. But let's start by creating an empty RSS Webmix. I'm going to call mine RSS Test. When you're ready, press Add. This is what a brand new RSS Webmix looks like. To add a tile, you can click on any empty square and either search for an RSS tile that has already been created. We have hundreds of RSS tiles in our database, so make sure to search for the tile you need to see if we already have it. That way, you can add it with just one click. If we don't have what you're looking for in our database, you can add your own RSS tile by pasting the link into the search bar. You will need to find the RSS feed link of the news source or blog you want to add as a tile. You can find it by Googling the name of the page and typing RSS after it. For example, I'm going to add Yahoo News as an RSS tile. I'll copy the URL and paste it into the search bar. Symbaloo will automatically detect that it's an RSS link. You can tell that it's an RSS tile by the little network symbol on the top left corner. Simply click and it will be added to your webmix. You can move the tile by clicking and dragging it to any place on your webmix. You can also edit the appearance of your tile by right-clicking and selecting Edit. Here you can update the tile URL, the title of the tile. You can also select the color for your tile, a symbol from our database, one of the default images, or you can upload your own image, which will appear in the top left corner of your RSS tile. When you're ready, simply X out and all your settings will be saved. The other options you get from right-clicking on the tile are to copy and move, delete, share, search for this news feed, which will take you to the Symbaloo search in another tab with the top options for your newsfeed title. And lastly, you can copy the URL. Learn how to embed your webmix into your blog or website in the next video.